Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok even if you don't have 1000 followers. Let's launch TikTok app and I'm going to show you how this actually works. First thing you want to do, of course, you want to go on your own profile, hitting the profile icon on the lower right corner. Then you want to go and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner as well. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. What I want you to do right now is to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, okay? I want you to click on report a problem and don't lose your time over here trying to connect with different topics and associate certain issue, okay? This is nonsense. None of this will help you. What you want to do is actually you want to submit a report over here. Click submit report. And this is the message that should get you the function to go live even if you don't have 1000 followers. So what we're actually submitting over here and reporting as an issue is that we're informing TikTok that, you know what, we are very good influential figure online, but we're not so big and popular here on TikTok. And you can explain them that you are actually a live streamer on other platforms. You can name some of them, and you want to let them know that you're not so big here on TikTok because you don't have the option to live stream, and this is your main power, this is your main influence. You only live stream, right? You don't do posts or videos or group chats. All you do on the other platforms that you're growing is to do live stream, and you want to make sure that you want to let the TikTok know that you do have an audience, right? If they let you live stream right away, you will bring a lot of people, a lot of your followers will be coming from other platforms. And last but not least, you want to make sure that you let them know that TikTok is your primary focus. So you want to shift from the other platforms and you want to move and spend full time here on TikTok. This is very good. Why? Because TikTok presumes that you will have a lot of tips during the actual live streams here on TikTok. And we all know that they do share the tips with you. So more money for you, more money for TikTok. And this is how you're going to get the live stream function without 1000 followers. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.